Hello, this is Project 6 involving Joystick Module. In this module, the Joystick Module detects movement using X and Y coordinates, which gives a value ranging from 0 to 1023, and Z-axis detects the press down joystick. When it's pressed down, it gives a value of 0, and when it's not pressed, it gives a value of 1. And these coordinates are read in real time. As you can see, this serial monitor, it detects X, Y, and Z. So you can move it, and it'll change the coordinates. And pressing down, 0, pressing up,